Our journey to creating our kitchen garden. So after blending up some seasonings, we had a lot of extra scraps. We decided this is what we're going to plant today. Having a kitchen garden with a child is like trial and error. As you could see, he's planting the seasonings upside down. So this was a learning time for him. So we decided to clear over the spot, and I showed him the parts of the side, which was the wide part where you're seeing the roots. That's the part that's going to be at the bottom of the soil. So here he is replanting his scythes the correct way. Now that he got the hang of it, he decided he's going to tackle a lot more tasks on his own. As stated before, clear your area. Next, you're going to take your scythe. So he's looking for which one is the scythe. He remembered to look at the bottom where the roots are, and that's the part that's going at the bottom. So right here, he was able to execute a proper way of planting. And while digging, we saw a friend, the earthworm. And children, do we kill earthworms? No, earthworms are friends. So we decided to just cover him back up. In our kitchen garden, we have some pak choy, cauliflower. We also have some eggplant, aka baigan, and here you can see it has a flower. We also have some fennel, various types of peppers, because that's our favorite. We also attempted container planting, where we have plant pots and containers where we planted some mints. And here's some recycled water containers.